Royal Enfield Motors, part of Eicher Motors, has presented a favorable growth outlook for both domestic and international businesses. While production constraints are expected to ease gradually in the coming months with the addition of new suppliers for semiconductors, international business continues to gather momentum with improving volumes and share in key markets. Chip shortage has impacted our operations in Q3. We are working towards developing an alternative supply ecosystem to minimize the effect. We have on board one more chip supplier, while the third supplier is in the pipeline. This will ease supply chain issues, B. Govindarajan, Executive Director, Royal Enfield Motors, said during the company's Q3 earnings call. However, the company sees robust demand with new launches. Its new Classic 350 motorcycle, launched in September 2021, has seen a tremendous response and the company has rolled out more than 1 lakh units so far. As a result, its market share in the above 125cc segment increased to 27% in the December quarter, compared to 25% in the year-ago period. Its market share in the overall two-wheeler segment is 9%. Consumer preferences for personal mobility and premiumization continue to drive demand. With supply chains issues gradually easing out, we expect further production scale soon, he said. Meanwhile, its strategic transition from an Indian brand to a global brand in the mid-size motorcycle market continues to show impressive progress. In Q3, not only did we commence CKD operations in Thailand, which is a promising market for us, we also registered stellar growth in international volumes, which grew by more than 57%, said Siddhartha Lal, Managing Director, Eicher Motors. For April 2021 to January 2022 period, the company more than doubled the sale of motorcycles outside India at 64,807 units compared to 28,192 units in the corresponding period of last year, helped by new launches and an expanded network. In a reflection of its success in international markets, the company has hit a market share of 7.1% and 5% in Europe and the US respectively, in the mid-size bike segment. The company is also evaluating opportunities to set up CKD units in its priority markets in the Asia-Pacific and Latin American region. It currently has CKD units in Argentina, Colombia, and Thailand. During the December quarter, it opened 7 exclusive stores and 11 multi-brand outlets across many countries. Its global network comprises 45 exclusive stores and 529 multi-brand outlets in developed markets and 111 exclusive stores and 138 multi-brand outlets in developing markets, according to company data. The company plans studio stores, shop-in-shop for apparel and motorcycle displays to increase customer reach in addition to network expansion in key developing markets.